So this is day 4 of a series that I started on my channel Tuning Data. In this series, I am solving 100 business questions in Power BI. So if you have not seen previous videos, just go on my channel and watch that. And let's open your Power BI and learn and practice together. So let's start today's video now. So guys, this is my Power BI homepage. Let's connect the data from my PostgreSQL database. So let's click here on Get Data and on More. Then search for the PostgreSQL database. Yeah, click here and then connect. For the server name, I'm giving here localhost. For the database name, it's 100 question series. Okay, and now click on OK. So it will take some time to load the data to Power BI, guys. So be with me here. Yeah, so our database has been connected to Power BI. As you can see here, we get these 4 tables here: the customer table, products table, regions table, and sales table. Now let's load it to Power BI. So it's being loaded here, as you can see here. I hope guys you are practicing with me. If you will practice it together, it will really benefit for you only. Okay, so yeah, so our 4 tables has been loaded to Power BI. Let me show you one by one. So this is customer table. In customer table, we have these 3 columns here like customer ID, customer name, and region ID. And this is our product table. In this table, we have these 2 columns like product ID and product name. In third table, we have these 2 columns here, region ID and region. And in fourth sales table, we have these columns like sales ID, customer ID, product ID, quantity, unit price, and sale date. So guys, this is all about the data that we have for today's video. Now let me show you the model view for this question. So as you can see, we have this sales fact table here, and all these dimension tables are connected with each other. The relationship has been already built here on the basis of product ID, customer ID, and the region ID. Okay, so this is all about the data modeling in Power BI. So guys, now let me show you the question that I'm going to solve today in this video. So let's open the report view now. And this is day 4 of 100 business question series in Power BI. And the question for today is create a visual to show top 2 revenue generating products per region in Q1 2024. Okay, so this is the question for today. So let's start it. And for that, I'm going to create a measure here. Okay, the measure will be for the total revenue. So let's create a measure here, total revenue. And for that, I'm going to use SumX formula here. The table will be sales table, and the expression I will use quantity multiply by unit price. So this is the DAX formula for the total revenue. So let's run this query here. Okay, but we want the total revenue only for the Q1 2024. For that purpose, I'm going to use a filter in total revenue. For that, I'm going to create another measure here, total revenue Q1 2024. For that purpose, I'm going to use calculate here. The expression will be total revenue. For the filter purpose, I'm going to use sales date should be greater than equal to date 2024 January 1st, and sale date less than equal to date 2024 March 31st. So this is the Q1 for 2024. So let's run this query now. So the measure is created here. Okay, so now I'm going to create a column chart to show that this visual here. Okay, so let's take this clustered column chart here. So I took this clustered column chart, and now on the x-axis I'm going to take region name and the product name from product table. Okay, like we have to show all the product for the as per the region, and the total revenue for Q1 2024 on the y-axis. So now let me show you the data labels here. Let me increase the font size. Okay, So guys, this column chart is showing total revenue for all the product for Q1 2024, but as a question suggests here, we have to show only the top 2 products as per the region in Q1 2024. For that purpose, I'm going to create another measure that will give a rank to each product as per the total revenue. For that purpose, I'm going to use RankX DAX formula. Okay, so let's give it a name like product ranking. So for that purpose, I'm going to use RankX formula. And for the table name, I'm going to use all selected product name. Okay. The expression will be total revenue Q1 2024. The order will be descending order. Okay. So now let's close this query here and run this query. Now I'm going to use filter here on the basis of ranking. Okay, so let's close this format pan here and let's open this filter pan. Click here and take this product ranking measure, and in the basic filter I'm going to use is less than or equal to 2. Let's apply this filter here, and now our question, we have solved this question here. Let me show you the output now. As you can see here, for the East region, the monitor and mouse are the top 2 revenue generated products. For the North region, laptop and printers are top 2 revenue generated products. And for the South region, it's laptop and monitor. And for the West region, it's laptop and printer. Okay, so this is all about day 4 question. We have solved this question. We have created this visual here which represents the top 2 revenue generating products as per the region in Q1 2024. I hope guys this video will really put an impact in your Power BI learning journey. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friend and save for the future reference. I will meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, goodbye.